My name is Poppy Millington. I'm from Haley, Idaho. I was a farmer and I raised my kids on a farm, and they both have become adults now and are off living their own lives. And I love working with my hands and working alone. And so someone told me about PDR and it sounded right up my alley. I went online. I was sitting at breakfast with my friend. I pushed a dent out on my mom's car because she parked right in front of the restaurant, and my friend said, "You might like PDR." So we pulled out my phone right there and then, and the dinking popped up first. And I love Southern California. I've spent half my life here. So we called right then and there, and they said they start classes every Monday. And I said I need a few more months, and then I'm coming your way. I will have a total of 4 weeks. I had 2 weeks in February and 2 weeks now in April. After 4 weeks, I can do small round dents really quickly. I did 3 yesterday in an hour. That was on an open panel. It takes me longer to get under braces. Today I've been working all day on a crease that was on top of a brace. But I'm much quicker at finding where my tool is, and I'm much quicker at knowing when not to push too hard and when to tap down, so I'm not creating as many problems for myself as I was in the beginning. I'm working a lot slower and definitely can find the tip of my tool much quicker after 4 weeks. I live in snow country and I have a heated garage, and I have, now that my younger son's gone, I have a nice space to work. I've already done 2 cars up there in between my sessions here, and so I can turn off the lights, turn on my dent light, and have all my tools there. And my plan right now is to just start doing it in my garage and see. I live right in the center of town, right behind a bank, so I feel like I'm in a convenient place for people to leave me their car, hopefully. Eventually, if I need to, I'll go mobile. But right now I'm happy doing it in my garage. I'm amazed. The dinking feels like family already. I had to leave a few weeks ago to go take care of my son who was sick, and Cher and Michelle and Maria made it so easy for me to leave and come back whenever I needed to. They're very personable. Everyone has been so welcoming and warm, and Todd and Liza. I feel like I'm with a family, even though I've only known everyone here for a couple of months. I want to thank Todd and Liza and everyone here for making me feel so welcome, and I've learned so much in such a short amount of time, and I have such a great feeling and great memories. I hope to keep coming back as I get more experience and want to learn more. I'm definitely going to be back. It's a great environment for learning.